Does your room feel a little incomplete, like something is missing, even though everything looks fine? The solution might be a small design detail, Modern Cornice Design. In today's video, we'll explore what a cornice is, why modern cornices are so popular, and how you can choose the perfect design for your ceiling and windows. Let's get started. A cornice is a decorative trim installed where the wall meets the ceiling, but it's not just for decoration. A cornice can hide gaps between the wall and ceiling, cover small cracks, conceal wiring or curtain rods. When used above windows, it adds an elegant and finished look to the entire space. It's a small architectural detail that makes a big visual difference. Traditional cornices used to be heavy and overly decorative, which didn't always suit modern interiors. Today's modern cornice designs focus on clean lines, minimal shapes, soft curves, or sharp geometric edges. These designs make rooms feel bigger, brighter, and more refined. Modern cornices are typically made from plaster, gypsum, wood, MDF, or polyurethane. These materials are durable and provide a smooth, long-lasting finish. Now, let's look at some popular ceiling cornice ideas. Clean and seamless design features soft curves and a smooth finish, perfect for small rooms because it creates the illusion of more space. Bold and edgy design, straight lines and geometric shapes, ideal for ultra-modern interiors and contemporary homes. Dramatically ornate design, layered details and subtle curves, best suited for larger rooms where you want a strong visual impact. Timeless classic design, a blend of traditional elegance and modern simplicity, great for homeowners who want a design that stays stylish for years. Window cornices are also trending in modern interiors. Minimalist box cornice, a straight box-shaped design that neatly hides curtain rods, perfect for living rooms and offices. Wooden window cornice, made from materials like oak or walnut, adds warmth and natural texture, especially when matched with wooden furniture. LED light cornice includes hidden LED lighting that creates a soft glow at night. It adds a cozy and luxurious heel. Layered modern cornice features 2 or 3 thin layers, creating depth without looking too heavy. Slim gypsum cornice, lightweight and smooth, ideal for small apartments or compact spaces. When choosing a cornice design, consider room size, ceiling height, interior style, and color coordination. Matching the cornice color with the ceiling usually creates a clean and elegant look. A small design element like a cornice can completely transform your space. Choose the right style and your room will instantly feel more modern, polished, and complete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design ideas.